In the early years of the 20th century, a man of unyielding spirit and unwavering conviction emerged in the vast wilderness of America. His name was John Muir, a Scottish-American naturalist who would become a beacon of hope for those who revered the untamed beauty of nature. Born in 1838 in Dunbar, Scotland, Muir immigrated to the United States at the tender age of 11. His early life was filled with hardship, but it was the wild beauty of the American wilderness that truly captured his heart. As a young man, Muir ventured into the untamed wilderness, exploring the Yosemite Valley and the Sierra Nevada mountains. His experiences in these pristine landscapes forever changed him, instilling in him a deep love for nature and a profound sense of its inherent worth. Muir's passion for nature soon turned into a crusade for its preservation. He witnessed the rapid expansion of industry and agriculture, which threatened to destroy the very landscapes that had captured his heart. In 1868, Muir, along with other conservationists, successfully lobbied President Ulysses S. Grant to establish Yosemite Valley and the Mariposa Grove as a public park. This was the first step in Muir's mission to preserve America's natural wonders. However, the fight for conservation was far from over. In 1872, the Humboldt River was dammed, flooding the Hetch Hetchy Valley within Yosemite National Park. Muir led a tireless campaign to prevent the valley's destruction, but his efforts were met with resistance from powerful politicians and businessmen. Undeterred, Muir continued his campaign, using his writings and speeches to rally public support. His eloquent words painted vivid images of the beauty of the Hetch Hetchy Valley, appealing to the hearts and minds of those who shared his love for nature. In 1903, after years of persistent effort, Muir finally succeeded in his mission. President Theodore Roosevelt, moved by Muir's passion and persuasive arguments, signed a bill that protected the Grand Canyon and other national monuments from development. Muir's crusade for conservation had a profound impact on America. His tireless efforts to preserve the nation's natural wonders laid the foundation for the modern environmental movement. Today, his legacy lives on, inspiring a new generation of conservationists to protect and preserve the Earth's natural beauty. John Muir's life serves as a reminder that one man, with unwavering conviction and a deep love for nature, can make a difference. His story is a testament to the power of persistence and the importance of preserving our planet for future generations.